Renewable Energy Expo. 28th to 30th of April 2022 Chennai Trade Center.
Hi, we are with Festa Solar, the dealer of Adani and DA Inverters. And we are proud to have Mr. Sampath on board.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Mr. Giri sir, and it's an excellent event. So after 2 years, I think we have this event. So it's such a good response, and one of the, I think, event which is happening in South India. So after a lot of time after COVID, this is the first event. I think we have it. It's such a wonderful event, and it's delighted to be part of this event. And Festa Solar is a new company, a new entrant to the market. So we started this company a couple of months before, and we have taken this Adani modules as a channel partners for Tamilnadu, and we have taken DAI inverters for entire South India. And we are having other products like BOS kits, and we are into EPC above 500 kilowatts large EPC systems, either rooftop or ground mount. So this is about our company and the products and portfolio we are looking into. We are part of Chennai Institute of Technology College, and we have other automobile manufacturing units, and we have many other units as a group. So thanks for inviting to this show, and thanks for giving this opportunity to participate.